Alright everyone, we are here at Jerry's Seiner Car Wash, and today we're gonna go through their soft touch, and it appears someone is in the touch free, so we're going to I'm gonna walk through this one, and then I'm gonna wait for that one to open up, and then I'll walk through it, and then we'll go through this one. So I will see you guys in just a second to walk through this one. Okay, now let's walk through it. Here is the pay station. Here's your wash options. You can see the laser wash gantry right there. Here's the signage. You can see the Protouch logo. I'm not sure if I mentioned, but this is a Protouch Tandem. Here's the undercarriage wash. This is actually the RT200 model, hence why there's no wheel scrubber arms, and instead they have these. Ultrasonics to size the car. But there's a top brush, some pre-soak nozzles, rinse nozzles. And there's your tri-foam nozzles. Let's go over here. There's a better look at the top brush. And then top brush manifold and whatever. And then up there, there's your signage. Here's the front gantry. And then here is your front brush. Feels very nice. Here's your signage. There's your rain bar manifold. This one has overglow on it. You can see it right there. And then here's your max air dryers. And then here's your other side. And now let's go walk through the other one. Okay, now let's walk through the laser wash. Here's your signage. There's your pay station right there. Here's your undercarriage wash. And then here's your ultrasonics right there. Here's the machine. Laser wash 360 plus. Here is the wash arm. There's overglow up there, some rinsing and LEDs. Here's your tri-foam and sealant nozzles. Some more signage right here. And then some more signage. And then here are your superior dryers. This one doesn't actually have a dryer timer, I don't believe. Interesting. So now let's go through the Tandem. It's a nice enough day to do an outside view, so that's what I'm doing. Here we go.
Forward. 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 Forward.
This is a bug solvent. How would you rate that wash?
I liked it. It was a nice wash. It was gentle and thorough, and I don't see any leftover soap on the car.
Yeah, and the dryers did a decent job too.
They did. So I'd say what, 9 or 10 out of 10?
Yeah, that, and it had wax, all for $9.
That's a good deal.
Yeah, so yeah, definitely 10 out of 10. Protouch Tandem, awesome.
Oh, also, I want to point out, we were sitting here for a second trying to decide what we were doing, and one of the associates from the car dealership came over just to check on us. I thought that was really good customer service.
Yeah. So yeah, that is Jerry Seiner Car Wash. Highly recommend coming here, whether for a touch or touch-free wash. Thank you guys for watching, and happy washing.